So guys, today let's talk about prop farms. I don't know what you think about prop farms, but I've seen a lot of online gurus, influencers talking bad things about prop farms. Everything has their ups and downs. Like there is nothing which is in a straight line when it comes to businesses, and everything is a risk. That's what we should know. So people talk about prop farms, that prop farms are not good, but I want to tell you prop farms have helped a lot when it comes to trading capital. Because for me, when I got to know about forex trading, the only thing that we could think was maybe to deposit $100, you flip that $100 or $500 to 1,000, then 10,000, then you grow capital like that. But when you look at the process, if you say that you are going to trade in a normal way, it's going to take a long period of time for you to grow that $100 or $500. So one thing prop farms helped us was capital, though they have their risks also, but they helped us in terms of trading capital so much. This one I have to thank it so much to prop farms, because there is a scenario. You are going to buy a prop farm account, let's say for example for a 10k. The average cost of a 10k account of a prop farm is $100. So on that $100 they are going to give you a 10k, but you shall have a risk management of 800 or to 1,000. That is the maximum overall drawdown on that account. So it means, in simple terms, you have bought like 1,000k in capital or $800 at a price of $100. For example, if you look at that $100, if you have deposited it on a broker's account, I don't know how long you are going to take for you to grow that $100 up to $1,000, which is in capital, the overall risk they are giving you on a prop farm account. I don't know that, but there they are giving you such kind amount of money, and when you manage to make profits out of that, they can pay you. So on average, they are on average a 10k account, you can make at least $100, $200 maybe every cycle of a payout. But when it comes, that is around like within 14 days. So when it comes to, if you are trading your $100, let's say you deposited it on a broker's account, in 14 days, that is a period of around 2 to 3 weeks, can you make like 100%, 200% of that money in profits? So sometimes we need to think twice or wise when it comes to decisions of investing, because people, there is a lot of people who I know they don't like even prop farms, but you see they are struggling trading those small accounts, and you look at them, you are like, bro, what is the problem with you? You see, they are like me, I'm trading my own money. It's fine, it's your own money, but what are the returns at the end of the time? That is the most important thing. So for me, I no longer trade my own capital. I can't. Instead of putting that $100 on an account and I blow it, I rather than buy a prop farm challenge. If I fail it, I fail it. You see. So I don't agree with people who say that prop farms are bad when it comes to opportunities in the market, in the forex market, in terms of capital. You see, prop firms have their own problems. Not every prop firm is genuine, because like you can trade with a prop firm, they don't pay you. You can trade with a prop firm, they go bankruptcy. So those are a lot of risks. Maybe people they are trying to avoid. But when you look at the business model in a long term, a person who has deposited that $100 on a broker's account and trade it normally, and a person who has bought like a prop firm account and passed it, then he has got some payouts, is this person of a prop firm account is way better than the other person who has deposited that $100 on a broker's account. So when it comes to that case, I think prop firms are better, because like for me, I have bought a prop firm challenge of 5K. It took for me a period of like 3 months to pass that challenge account. Then within a period of 3 months again, I've made like 6 withdrawals from that account. But I don't think now in total that is a combined period of 6 months. I don't think the money I've made from that 5K account, if I had deposited that $50 on that account, that I would have made it in this time. No. I'm sure 100% no. I could not make such amount of money. Because on average, my every payout has like $80. So you get $80 times 6. You'll get the value. And you see, in a period of 6 months, if I could have made such amount, if I had deposited my $50 into a broker's account. So I have links in the description for the prop firm that I use. If you want to use also this prop firm, it's called the 5%ers. The link is in the description below. So when it comes to that, I don't think people who are saying prop firms are bad, they are completely okay about that. But for me, I think the overall idea is how much returns are you going to get at the end of the time. Because a person who is depositing on a direct broker's account is aiming to make money, and you who are trading with prop firm, you're also aiming to make money. Then the goal is the same. But when we look at the returns, that's where we differ. And for me, that's where I concentrate so much. So when it comes to prop firm, guys, for me, I think prop firms are still way better compared to personal accounts. Unless if you can manage to have such huge amount of capital, like 10K grand, like 100K, your own capital. For you, when you say that prop firms are not good, I can understand your point. But for us who are still struggling, looking for capital, you cannot tell us that this is the best way compared to direct deposits to brokers' accounts. That is what I wanted to say, guys, about prop firm compared to personal accounts. And let me know what you're thinking about this in the comment section. Make sure to give me a thumbs like button, you subscribe if you like this content. Until we meet again in the next video, bye bye.